Get started. All right, so hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming to this information session. I know things have been hectic over the last week or so with everything that's been going on, but we hope everyone's settled in, whether that be on campus, off campus, or at home, and staying healthy and safe. First off, I'd like to introduce the guest we have here today with us, Alex Robinson. He has a lot of experience with DSC and helped me a lot in getting DSC started here at UNC when I was working by myself, which really helped and gave me a better idea of how to organize DSC at our school. So Alex, would you like to make a quick introduction?
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for coming. A little bit of background quickly on myself. I started the Developer Student Club at Florida Atlantic University last fall. Built the club from 0 to about 150, which I thought was a pretty great size for the size of the university, all things considered with the pandemic. And now I decided to come back home, transfer to the University of Central Florida, where I will be the lead for this year. Unfortunately, there was some trouble getting the club started at UCF last fall, so I'm taking on that opportunity this year, and I'm just happy to share my wealth of knowledge that I've gained and lessons that I've learned with other DSCs.
Yeah, so he'll be here to present with us, share more information, and to answer any questions. So I mentioned I was working alone to get DSC started, but soon Maxwell and Christian joined me as the founding co-leads, and we've been working together since to bring our amazing core team together as well. We can go ahead and introduce ourselves. I can go first. I'm Cecilia. I'm the lead for DSC UNC. I'm a sophomore double majoring in computer science and information science. A fun fact about me is that I went to 3 high schools.
Hey guys, I'm Maxwell. I'm a freshman who's one of the co-leads. I plan on double majoring in comp sci and business. And a fun fact about me is that I actually have 3 citizenships.
Dang, I can't really upstage that one, but so I'm Christian DeMarco. I know my name says Albert DeMarco, just what Zoom does. It's my real first name. I am a sophomore, computer science and peace, war, and defense double major. Something interesting about me, I just got out of my sling today. I had shoulder surgery. I still have a long way to go, but that's a great step. So, okay. I guess maybe we should go on to the rest of our core team, of course. Junaid, do you want to go next?
Yeah, sure. So hi, everyone. I'm Junaid. I'm one of the other co-leads, and I am a sophomore double majoring in computer science and biostatistics. A fun fact about me is that I cut my own hair.
What's up, guys? I'm Tony. I am a senior also studying computer science. I'm one of the 2 project leads, more specifically the tech project lead. And a fun fact is that I'm also president of the UNC Club table tennis. So if any of you guys are interested in that, then you can just send me a private message on Zoom, and then we can get you sorted out with that.
Is Charles here?
It doesn't look like it.
All right, then we can just move on. Whoops. Daniel couldn't make it, so I mean, you can go ahead.
So guys, I'm a freshman majoring in comp sci. My minor in econ, like entrepreneurship, but I don't know. A fun fact about me is I'm pretty bad at first-person shooters. I always get carried by the team whenever I play. Yeah, looking forward to helping people with their projects, like teaching new, like coding stuff to them.
Nothing wrong being honest there. Nothing wrong being honest.
Jackson.
It's a busy time. It's Thursday, so
yeah,
we still have classes for some of us.
Yeah. All right, Ernesto, you can go ahead.
Hey guys, my name is Ernesto. I am a super senior at Carolina, a computer science major. And a fun fact about me is that I speak 3 languages and I love dancing.
Pretty great.
All right.
Oh, is Kush here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, cool.
So my name's Kush Shingela. I'm going to be a tech lead here, probably specializing in Flutter, which is a mobile app framework. And I'm a junior at UNC as a comp sci major, chemistry minor, and hopefully business minor. And a fun fact about me is I have a twin brother who's also in this call.
Hello, my name is Jared Coe, and I'm one of the 2 event coordinators. I'm a freshman trying to major in computer science and economics. A fun fact about me is that I was named after Ben and Jerry, so I have an older brother named Ben.
I am Cassidy. I'm the other event coordinator. I'm a junior majoring in comp sci. A fun fact about me is I love to make art.
Hey everyone, my name is Rohan. I'm a freshman and I'm going to be this year's marketing lead. Right now, I'm a computer science and business major and probably going to minor in mathematics. Fun fact about me is I love working on my car. It's pushing around 500 horsepower right now, so yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Alan and I'm the partnerships lead. I am a freshman and I'm planning on double majoring in computer science and business. And a fun fact about me is I like playing the piano and I have been for 10 years.
We also want to introduce our faculty advisor, Ketumaya Patel. He couldn't make it today, but you may know him as KMP and have him for some of your classes. He's kindly agreed to be our faculty advisor, which is going to be official once we get registered through Heal Life, which is what our logistics team is working on right now. So what does DSC UNC actually do? Our goal is to bridge the gap between theory and practical application for student developers of all majors and all different kinds of experience levels. We're very beginner friendly and we encourage non-CS majors to get involved as well. The main ways we'll reach this goal will be through events such as workshops and also projects done by the organization throughout the year. The technologies we'll use will primarily be focused on Google technologies like Flutter and Firebase, but we will delve into other technologies as needed and as requested by the members of the organization.
Okay, so now I'm going to go over sort of the core team structure just so you guys are familiar with how we're operating. To start with the sort of logistics, so this includes the lead, the co-leads, and the project leads. So this is really all the logistical stuff. They're managing the other lead. They're managing all the core team. They're helping making sure everything is flowing. They're delegating tasks to make sure events are getting planned, people are being helped. So really, they're sort of the overarching group that's making everything run smoothly. As for the tech leads, so they're really going to be the people who are going to be helping you create your programs and helping you with any issues you may come across. So we're going to go over the solution challenge later, but those are sort of, they'll be helping you if you need help with that. Even if you're working on sort of independent projects and groups, which is something we're maybe looking to explore later, they can help you if you need help in anything. And they're also going to be being able to help you with any sort of Google technologies. So whether that's Flutter or something else, along with any programming languages that you do need assistance in, or and they'll also be helping to lead workshops and events. So whether that's a, Flutter sort of introduction or a maybe for a programming language you're not familiar with. So they'll be doing that and you'll really be helping everyone. So so the non-technical officers are really just going to be helping plan and market the club mostly, as well as helping with our partnerships. So they'll be running the social media, they'll be making sure emails are being sent out, and also they'll be helping to sort of schedule events, partner with maybe other DSC chapters. So a lot of really important stuff they'll be working on as well.
Okay, events and workshops. So we are currently aiming to do events or workshops at least twice a month. So this will either be hosted by DSC UNC or other DSC chapters. Like we said, we're hoping to partner with a lot of other ones. Our workshops will mainly consist of Google technologies, as previously stated. Right now, we're really big on wanting to teach Flutter and Firebase because we have some people very good with it in our tech team, actually who have developed their own apps using it, for example. So some very proficient people in that regard, and they can't wait to teach you. Of course, we also want to do networking, career events. We're hoping we can get some industry professionals in to talk about how software engineering works and how the business side goes, for example. And in future years, we're hoping we can get alumni of the club in to help with that too. So it ought to be very beneficial. And I'm not sure I made this clear. It will primarily be technical leads that are doing the events, but we will also have people both from other chapters and people we can get in contact with. Say if we find a local tech company that is doing something along our lines. So lots of stuff to do there. Very exciting. And now Alex is going to talk about the solution challenge. So.
Perfect. Thanks for that. When people join DSC, one of the probably most frequently asked questions is, what is a solution challenge? How does it work? How can I get involved with it? The reason is because the solution challenge is kind of like a sub-mission of what DSC is. Obviously, the main mission is to bridge the gap between theory and practice, which was pretty much already explained. But going along with that, the solution challenge is really aimed at the application, not so much the theory. So that's really just making it go full circle. So what the solution challenge is, it's a global competition that's run every year. The last one, the 2020 solution challenge, just ended about halfway through the spring semester. And the next one will be announced and all the official details will drop in January. And then the deadline for project submission should be sometime within this coming April. So a little bit ways away. But the way it works is students from DSCs can form teams up to 4 members. They can identify a problem in their community. It could be at their school, in their local city or county or state, or it could be a national problem. But it's encouraged to choose a local problem because sometimes students are more passionate about solving problems that are in their community that affect them or other people. So this could be a problem with a nonprofit. It could be a problem with your school. It could be a problem that a business has. It really doesn't matter. And then you have to solve that problem using at least one Google platform or technology. So it could be a GCP product. It could be Flutter. It could be Firebase. It could be some type of Android platform if you want to have hardware and software. There's kind of the possibilities are endless. And then, like I said, you're going to create a team of up to 4 people. And then when the deadline comes, you'll submit that project. And all the details will be there and how the submission works. They'll show you how to organize your code, how to submit the code, how the grading process works, and stuff like that. And then Google picks 10 regional winners from across the globe because, like I mentioned, it's a global competition, not just a inside DSE competition or national. It is global. DSE is a global program, so there will be 10 regional winners. Just recently, we had a demo day, which is basically they demoed some of those winning solution challenge projects. I believe there's a recording of it somewhere that I could probably share, which was pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for what the solution challenge is without diving into too many details, but I'm sure that some of you guys might have some questions on how that works. So I'll just pass it off to whoever is next.
Yeah, actually I wanted to share a video of from DSC. I think one of the apps they developed was for the solution challenge. So
mau berprestasi seorang developer karena questionnaire bisa berbicara dengan Android teknologi.
Awalnya Hastu bukan merupakan seorang yang percaya diri, namun setelah dia ikut DSC, dia menjadi lebih percaya diri dan lebih tertarik untuk mendalami skill di bidang pemrograman Android.
Saya belajar terus membuat aplikasi untuk membantu orang-orang yang mempunyai kesulitan sama seperti saya.
Saya bangga dengan Hastu karena selama Hastu join di DSC, dia memiliki progres yang cukup signifikan.
Aku senang bisa jadi senang dari dunia asal.
So before we jump into questions, we would like to invite you guys to fill out our initial questionnaire. It'll help us get an idea of the experience level of all the members in DSC and what kinds of events and workshops we should plan for you guys. So you guys can scan the QR code and maybe one of the core team members could drop the link in the chat. And no rush, we'll also send a follow-up email with the link. So yeah, we just want to share this with you guys at the end before the questions. Okay. So we have some socials here that we're asking for you guys to join, especially the Discord. So yeah, does anyone have any questions?
Just a real quick aside, the Discord is one of our main means of communication. And we're hoping we can turn it into a fairly vibrant community. There is some nice socialization going on in there and some discussion, not too much yet, but we hope to build it up. So make sure you join that. I believe, is that what that QR code is for? Or is that the survey one from right there? Okay, so I would highly suggest scanning that and joining the Discord. Just really nice. You wanna get to know who you're gonna work with, you know? Okay, that's all I wanted to say.